we're the #1 brand and manufacturer of awards, trophies, giveaways, corporate giveaways. Our company is Raymundo's Awards Manufacturing Corporation. We do a lot of customized awards for company recognition, a lot, awarding events.
What made Raymundo's #1? What is the story behind it?
Well, because of we always maintain good products. We are the manufacturer, we're not traders, so everything is in-house. We have combined about 60 years of experts craftsmen that does the sculptures. And we have partnerships in abroad to make crystal awards, to supply our materials.
Who have been your key clients through the years?
Well, right now, I'm doing the awards for UAAP. We were the regular supplier for Philippine Stock Exchange. Marami. Most of the top corporations.
What is your unique value proposition to your client?
Well, our unique value proposition is expert and fine craftsmanship. We offer the best price. And actually, it's hard to get yung magko-customize. Actually, we're the leader now in customization. Customized awards. You just give the image to us and we'll execute it.
And do you have any future plans for other services?
Right now, we're expanding the business through franchising. So, this coming Franchise Expo, we'll be presenting our business, but on a new model. Meaning, the model now is for us to be able to franchise it, but the advantage is the client will get the award same day. Kasi ang nangyayari, if you order the award, it takes about 10 days, 7 days. Now, our offer is on the spot. They can get the award or the corporate giveaway.
Well, what is the, you're manufacturing awards for, but what's the biggest award that you have received through the year?
Me, right now, happy to know that personally, I've been chosen as one of the top 10 happiest Pinoy for this year. They will announce who the happiest Pinoy, the winner come September. But being in the top 10 out of 13,000 nominees is already a big achievement for me. A big award.
Well, what makes you happy?
Happy being over to rise above life's trials. That's happiness for me. You can be happy because you're rich, you're pretty, or you're handsome, or you're healthy. But losing all of that, but still be happy, that's happiness. Correct?
Well, now going back to your business, how can a client or a prospective client avail of your service? How can they contact you?
They can call me through my cell phone 0920-923-3373 or go to my website. We have a couple of websites. Our main website is www.awardsph.com. You can also go to www.customawardsphilippines.com. Call me anytime. Email me. My email is awardsph@gmail.com. I give usually free consultation, free design.